What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Edgar-O, the one and only. So I want to start off by saying happy Valentine's Day to all you lovebirds. And even if you're not a lovebird, happy Valentine's Day. Speaking of Valentine's Day, in today's video we're gonna do a Valentine's Day look, as you can obviously see. But before we begin, I want to say if you are new here, welcome to my channel. It is nice to meet you. Everybody's welcome to my channel. Black, white, purple, pink, tall, short, it doesn't matter. As long as you are open-minded and have a sense of humor. And if you don't, then bye. Too bad, so sad. But anyways, like I said, in today's video, we're going to fall in love with makeup and we're just going to create a Valentine's Day look. This is not really a makeup tutorial. We're not gonna go like step by step how to do this because you're not gonna create this look. However, we will talk about the look and we're just gonna chit chat. Alright, so if you wanna see how I achieve this look and you wanna chit chat, grab a snack and let's begin. Alright, so my face is ready to go. It has foundation, prime, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna start off with my first color, which will be my transition color. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with my first color and that's gonna be from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna try not to sound like this is a tutorial, like, hey, you're gonna do this look, because you're not gonna do this. But let's just have a good time. Let's just chit chats and hear my mouth go off for a little bit. All right, so first I'm gonna prime my eyes. I almost forgot my eyelids. Not my eyes, my eyelids. Just so the eyeshadows stick to it. You know, every time I do a look like this on camera and I finish, I literally go upstairs, take a shower, take it off, and call it a day. A lot of people don't understand that I only do these looks because I like playing with makeup. Like legit, I just like playing with makeup and there's nothing wrong with that. I don't do these looks because I want to go out and show off. I don't do these looks because I want to show off. I do these looks because I like playing with makeup. And I think anyone who plays with makeup know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, now that my eyes are primed and ready to go, we're gonna jump into the first color, and that's gonna be from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's gonna be this color right here. I think it's called BAM. Not that it really matters what it is because you can do your own look. So let's talk about Valentine's. What does Valentine's Day mean for you guys? I'll tell you what it means for me. It means nothing really special. Not that it doesn't mean anything. I just, you know, I think we use Valentine's Day as an excuse to show our love to our loved ones, like a boyfriend or a girlfriend or husband or wife, in such an extreme way when we could do that every day. But I'm not saying that I don't like Valentine's Day. I'm not saying I don't celebrate Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day, but I'm definitely not anti Valentine's Day. By the way, I don't know where I'm going with this look. I'm just gonna have fun with the palettes. I have the Juvia's Place palette, the Take Me to Brazil palette, and the Jaclyn Hill palette. I also have the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. So I'm just gonna play with this and see where this goes. Obviously, we're gonna do like a pink, red, black, just a Valentine's Day theme. All right, so now we're gonna jump into colors. But before we do that, I am going to put translucent powder, translucent powder, baking powder. I'm just going to set underneath my eyes for the fallout. That's what I'm trying to say. And this is the part where makeup gets so messy. Ugh. Oh yeah, we're gonna look real cute during this process, but that's okay. Okay, so I still don't know where I'm going with this. So if I end up looking a fool by the end of this video, you have the right to laugh at me. You do not have the right to judge me, but you have the right to laugh at me. All right, now I'm gonna go with my Take Me to Brazil palette. It's such a beautiful palette. It's so colorful. I mean, it's nothing new that you guys haven't seen. And I'm probably gonna take this really nice hot pink right here, and I'm gonna start off in the inner corner of my eye. I don't know if that's gonna look good, but let's just go for it. I gotta be honest though, I'm still trying to learn makeup and stuff like that. I think makeup is really, really fun. I think anybody who does makeup and it's learning to do makeup knows that makeup is not easy. It really is not easy, but once you get the hang of it, once you get the like the main things out the way, like learning how to blend, learning how to hold a brush. Like I really never knew how to hold a brush. Did I just say a brush? A brush. People always ask me, why makeup? Well, it was either makeup or become a lawyer. Because makeup, it's fun. I'm telling you, it's fun. I like the arts that goes into it, you know? It's not just because, oh, you're a gay man. Honestly, it has nothing to do with that. It really doesn't, you know? A lot of people think it's weird that I like makeup and I like Chucky. And I tell them why. Why is that weird? Why is that so weird? Like, I don't understand why is that so weird. So there was people telling me that I should make 2 different channels. One dedicated to just my makeup and one dedicated just to Chucky, for Chucky. And I thought about it for a minute. And I was like, you know what? Why should I divide my subscribers? Why should we divide each other? If you're here for makeup, just click on the makeup videos. If you're here for Chucky, just click on the Chucky videos. We shouldn't have to divide. I shouldn't have to divide my subscribers in 2 different groups because you're here for one or the other, or 2 or both, you know? But I can see like how all the love and the support is just growing, and honestly, it makes me feel really good about myself. I literally get inspired by you guys. Like, I know that might sound cliche, like, yeah, whatever, but no, I really do. If you weren't watching my videos, if you weren't commenting my videos, I probably would have just gave up. So thank you guys. Like, honestly, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And this is why I want to do giveaways throughout the whole entire year. If you love Chucky, I'm gonna do Chucky giveaways. If you love makeup, I'm gonna do makeup giveaways. So stay tuned because I got you. All right, so moving on to the next color. I feel like I've been on this same color, but you know, everything's gotta be perfect. I guess I'm just gonna start off with the red one. I'm just gonna place that in the middle of the eye. You know what's funny? Right now that I was talking about Chucky, Chucky's the one that got me into makeup. Yeah, I know. What? Let me explain to you why. For Halloween, I always wanted to be Chucky. But I didn't want to be Chucky, like just the outfit Chucky. And I didn't want to just wear the mask. I actually wanted to do like a makeup look. You know, I wanted to paint my face and just do like a Chucky look. That's how it started. That's how it all started. I went to the Halloween store and I grabbed a kit. I started drawing stitch lines to my face with blood, supposedly. I always wanted to work like in a movie set, doing like special effects, like scary special effects. And that's why I got into like the makeup type of stuff. I am in such a chill mode today. I just feel like relaxed. It's such an ugly day outside. It's snowing, has been snowing for the past 10 hours. All right, so now that we got our 2 colors, pink and red, we're gonna jump into another darker color. This is the part where I hope I don't f up my look. Didn't mean to curse. Now I'm taking my Juvia's Place palettes and I'm doing the color Ada. And I'm just gonna place it in the corner of the eyes. So I've been getting a lot of messages on my Snapchat about the video that me and my husband did when I'm doing his makeup, and everybody just keeps telling us, can you do another makeup video with your husband and please make a black look, since he was begging for it. I love making videos with my husband. We always have such a good time. I love how he just lets me do whatever I want with him. All right, so now I'm just gonna clean this up really quick. Man, I look crazy as hell. This looks cute. I actually like this. Like, I actually like this. I don't want to chew my own horn, but I actually like it. Did I just say I don't want to chew my own horn? Is that the way to say it? Is that how you say it? All right, so now I'm gonna go to my bottom lash and just pretty much do the same thing that I just did up here, down here. I feel like I'm still learning. I'm still learning to do makeup. I'm not a professional. I am not an expert, you know, like these big YouTubers. But I'm proud of myself because I've come a long way. You'll see. So can I ask you guys, what is your passion? What do you like to do? Like, what do you like to do? For example, what is my passion? Makeup. Makeup and collecting Chucky dolls. The art that goes into making a look it's really cool. Like right now, I'm having so much fun right now. Like I don't have to be like, oh my god, you guys, I'm gonna do a makeup look. I don't have to do that to be excited on the inside, but this makes me happy. You know, I like this. And I always feel like you have to do something that makes you happy, no matter what it is. As long as it's nothing bad or incriminating, you always gotta do something that makes you happy. Even if somebody else is gonna judge you for it. Or if you feel like you're not gonna get accepted for doing something like that, who cares? Just do it if it's making you happy. It's not making nobody else happy. I like reading people's comments. Sometimes I don't, because I come across the most evilest comments ever. And it makes me so mad because I just want to sit there and just reply like, you know what? F you, mother. But I'm a professional. I can't do that. And why spend time replying to those idiots? Notice how I shift conversations. I like talk about something and then I jump to another thing. Girl. But anyways, what makes you happy? What's your passion in life? That's what I want to know. All right, guys, I think I am done with this look and I kind of like it. I'm kind of digging the whole purple, pink. Wait, there's no purple in here. I'm digging the whole pink and red. Like I'm really feeling it. I want to add glitter, but I feel like I always add glitter to every look that I ever do. So we're gonna stay away from glitter today. One more thing, I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Metal Crush highlighting palette and I'm gonna put something in the inner corner. I'm gonna take this really nice pink highlighting color. It's really, really pretty and it's really glittery. That makes it a big difference. Whoa, that looks nice. Wow. All right, I think I'm done. I don't want to overdo it because like I said, I don't want to look like a clown and I don't want to look crazy. All right, so I think I am officially done. I'm gonna go clean it up like always, add some mascara. You know what? Let's go there. Let's go there. I'm gonna add some fake eyelashes. I don't really do fake lashes because girl, I look really crazy. But this time, let's just take it there. It's Valentine's Day. Let's just go and look crazy. Let's fall in love with me even more with all that stuff. So I will be right back with the final look. All right, guys, so this is pretty much the final look. How do I look? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do I look good? Do I look bad? Personally, I am liking this. I am not ashamed of it. I think I did a good job. Honestly, to be honest with you, this was fun. I really enjoyed making this video and I probably look a little crazy. But honestly, I don't give a damn. It's Valentine's Day. We're supposed to be showing love to one another. All right, guys, well, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys had fun with me. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would very much appreciate that. And don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe because I want you to be part of my family. And don't forget to click that bell button to get notified for my next video. All right, guys, well, that is pretty much it. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.